or trying to find something better, you have options in Pasco County, and now you can get the training you need to get your foot in the door.
AmSkills trains people in highly sought-after manufacturing jobs. Reporter Eric Waxler talked to one woman who says the program is helping her turn her life around.
This is a fresh start for me because I'm starting over and I have an opportunity to do better with my life.
Terry Johnson says she made some bad choices in her life. Substance abuse issues were part of the problem, but after serving many years in prison, she is feeling optimistic about what's next.
There's always opportunities out there for us, but we have to want to do better. We have to want to go out there and succeed.
Terry does want to succeed. That's why she is here at the AmSkills Bootcamp, learning different manufacturing trades she hopes will lead to a good-paying job.
We did electrical outlets yesterday, and I love that. Today we're doing PC boards, and I'm enjoying that, but I want to get into like assembly work if I can.
AmSkills works with local manufacturing companies who help with the training. They focus on skills like soldering, electrical, woodworking, and other mechanical trades. Everyone here is guaranteed an interview when it's over.
We've helped homeless people, we've helped veterans, all kinds of people secure jobs, or if they're just trying to transition to something better, we've helped them as well.
We're learning how to measure things, we're learning how to cut things, we're like really getting hands-on and dirty.
The Tampa area has the greatest number of manufacturing companies in the state, and the trainers here say it's difficult recruiting for those types of jobs. Terry is looking forward to finishing the program and getting a job that will help her continue her turnaround.
If you go out there and put your best foot forward, the doors are open for you.
In Newport Richey, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.